Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here. It's 18 minutes past 3 in the afternoon, 15:18 on Saturday, 17th of December 2022. And I've just made a black smoothie. So you can see here, it's black in color. I'm gonna pour it so you can see it nicely. So there you go, it's a black smoothie. And it's black because it's got Chlorella, Spirulina, Moringa leaf powder, a little bit of lecithin granules to emulsify it. We've got frozen sweet corn, 1/3 of a frozen banana, and soy milk. Okay, and also because I've run out of fresh dates, I've put some date concentrate. Okay, it's a thick syrup which is dark in color. So they all contribute to this olive green, dark gray, almost black, well, frankly, disgusting looking color. But if you taste the smoothie, and I've already drunk 400 ml, it's actually quite nice. And to perk up the taste, I put a slice of lemon, which I've blended everything in for one auto cycle in my Kuvings SV-500 vacuum blender. So I'm gonna finish it now and enjoy it. So see you next time. Bye.